Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, struggling to write your first book? Spending hours writing, editing, and formatting books only to feel overwhelmed? Have you ever dreamed of becoming an author but don't have the time or skills to write? What's stopping you from tapping into the multi-billion-dollar book industry today? You're not alone. Take a look at these jaw-dropping statistics that demonstrate the immense value of creating and selling books online. $19.95 billion industry and growing, the global book market is booming, projected to hit $32.19 billion by 2032 with a 5.8 annual growth rate. Amazon dominates with 68% market share. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, holds a major share in the book industry. 1.5 million plus self-published books annually, more writers than ever are profiting from digital sales. Best-selling authors earn 6 to 7 figures. Many make $10,000 per month, while top earners hit 6 or 7 figures. Millions of readers worldwide. Over 1 billion people globally consume digital books, creating a vast consumer base for online book sales. Low cost, high profit. No printing, no inventory, just 100% profit after production. These incredible numbers show that selling books online isn't just a small opportunity. It's booming, multi-billion-dollar industry waiting to be tapped into. Hence, creating and selling books online isn't just a trend. It's a massive opportunity waiting for you. But here are the challenges. Writing a book is hard, time-consuming, and expensive. It can take months or even years to finish a single book. Hiring editors, designers, and voice artists can cost you thousands of dollars. And even after all that effort, there's no guarantee your book will sell. Even traditional book publishing is slow and complicated, leaving most aspiring authors stuck in a never-ending cycle of writer's block and financial stress. But not anymore. What if you could turn any idea into a high-quality book instantly without writing a single word yourself? What if you could create stunning professional quality talking books in just 60 seconds without writing a single word, hiring expensive narrators, or spending months on design? What if you could create professional interactive books with lifelike AI narration in just a few clicks? What if you could generate stunning talking books and keep 100% of the profits? That's exactly what BookFlow AI does. Introducing BookFlow AI, world's first AI-powered book creation platform that lets you generate high-quality talking books in 100+ languages, complete with lifelike voice narration, eye-catching illustrations, and professional formatting, all in just a few clicks. Whether you're an author, business owner, entrepreneur, or content creator, tapping into this billion-book-dollar industry could be your financial key to freedom. And the best part, once you have BookFlow AI, you can create stunning talking books without writing a single word yourself, sell and keep 100% profits. With the commercial license, you could sell books and services without sharing revenue, save thousands on outsourcing. No need to hire writers, designers, or voiceover artists. AI does it all for you. Automate and scale your business. Let AI handle book creation while you focus on growing your income. Tap into a global audience. Create books in 100+ languages and sell worldwide with ease. No monthly fees. One-time access. Get lifetime access for a one-time low price without expensive subscriptions. This is your golden opportunity to build a profitable, hands-free business. It works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into BookFlow AI. Log into BookFlow AI app by entering your registered email and password to access your dashboard. No complicated setup required. Step 2, create. Enter a keyword and let AI create stunning talking books in any niche or topic you want under 60 seconds and personalize with lifelike voice narration and stunning visuals. Step 3, publish, sell, and profit. Download, share, and publish your book on platforms like Amazon, Apple Books, Etsy, and more, and start profiting instantly and keep 100% in profit. That's it. No writing, no design skills, no hassle. Just click, create, and profit. And the best part, it works for anyone. No matter who you are or what you do, whether you're a beginner or a pro, BookFlow AI makes it effortless to create and sell stunning talking books in minutes. Whether you're a content creator and writer, marketers and entrepreneurs, authors and writers, educators and coaches, designers and creatives, freelancers and agencies, affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, product creators, video marketers, anyone looking for an easy side hustle. If you can click a few buttons, you can profit with BookFlow AI. With BookFlow AI, you get everything you need to create, publish, and sell profitable books without any technical skills. Now here's the best part. For limited time only, you can get access to BookFlow AI for a low one-time fee. No monthly subscriptions. But act fast, because once this special launch deal ends, the price will go up. Plus, BookFlow AI comes with exclusive launch bonuses worth $2,485 for free. But hurry, these bonuses are available for only a limited time. Once this offer expires, they'll be gone forever, so don't miss out. Don't let this life-changing opportunity pass you by. This exclusive deal won't last forever. Join thousands of successful authors, entrepreneurs, and marketers who are already profiting with BookFlow AI. Still on the fence? No problem. BookFlow AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. In case you're not satisfied with BookFlow AI, or if you just change your mind, we'll refund every penny back to you. Why pay thousands for a book creation when BookFlow AI can do it better, faster, and cheaper? Why struggle with writing and publishing when BookFlow AI can automate the entire process? Why waste months writing a book when BookFlow AI can do it for you in seconds? Don't wait. Unlock the power of BookFlow AI and become bestseller author. Spots are filling up fast, and once this launch special is gone, it's gone for good. So, what are you waiting for? Today is your chance to get access to BookFlow AI at the lowest price and start creating your own best-selling talking books today. Click below and get started. We'll see you inside.